Namaste. My name is Maheshwari. You guys may know or may not know me. Happy Independence Day to each and everybody looking at me or not looking at me. So as we know that we are celebrating 75th Independence Day, and today I'm here to present a speech on Independence Day in front of you all. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I have kept the phone in front of myself. So I'm going to start now. अभी भी जिसका खून है खौलता, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार है. This dialogue from Rang De Basanti give goosebumps to listeners, but it suits those fighters who sacrificed their lives for us. Exactly 74 years ago, that is 15 August 1947, our country got freedom from British rule. Freedom fighters like Lakshmi Bai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and lot more fighters. Bhagat Singh, 22 years boy, who left his family, perfect job, and decided to become a freedom fighter along with his friends Rajguru and Sukhdev. Mahatma Gandhi left his perfect household life and started Satyagraha movement, Dandi March. Rani Lakshmi Bai, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो, झांसी वाली रानी थी वो, who fought with Britishers carrying her own son on her back till her last breath. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as Iron Man of India, a united country and helped the traders people by dividing parts of the country into different states. Every year, Red Fort is ornamented with flowers along with its podium, stairs, marching ground and seats for guests are arranged. Prime Minister hosts national flag with national anthem Jana Gana Mana and address the nation by sharing the achievements done by the government via different schemes X in previous years, and also promises to make his country #1 in the world. After the speech, 21 gunshots are fired in honor by remembering freedom fighters. Armed Forces, India, Air Forces, Indian Navy and Indian Army. Motorcycle, troops and parade is conducted on Red Fort where they salute the national flag. At the last, Prime Minister greets students, teachers who attended the function, letting go of balloons in the air. With our freedom fighters, we should also thank to our armies, who left their family, and fight for us, who stand for us. We should salute them. At the same time, CMs of the state host national flag and attend parades prepared by the people and appreciate them. Many government and non-government institutions also host flag in their offices, schools, colleges, decorate their classrooms, halls with drawings of freedom fighters, writing poems, decorating walls with balloons and art. As we know that due to this pandemic situation, we are not able to go to school or colleges to celebrate Independence Day. But we can celebrate our Independence Day from our heart and also from Google Meet as well, through which your teachers or every students will join there and you'll just celebrate. Then anthem on borders, soldiers also host national flag, then sing and dance patriotic songs. They feel proud because citizens trust them and easily slips at home. Even today, also we have many soldiers who leave their luxurious life to protect our nation and us. As I have said, for sake of their country, they decide to join army, whether it's armed forces, navy, BSF, commanders or para-armed forces. Without informing their loved ones, they go to missions with no idea that whether they will come back alive or wrapped in national flag. Many wars took place, whether it was the Kargil War, Indian-China War, violating the rules of the Line of Control LOC, URI attacks, Pulwama attacks, but every time our forces proved their enemy that now they are not going to compromise or give any type of mercy. So this was a speech that I prepared, I hope so it will help you know more about Independence Day, as you guys know about Independence Day. But I tried myself something, at least something, so that people will come to know. People will know that what is Independence Day. Those who don't know also. It's not like that. Everybody knows what is Independence Day. Sorry for my blabbering and all. I am so sorry today that I have not explained or said something in Assamese, because I want something to do in English today. So yeah, that was all about it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog. If you like watching, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and leave down a comment down below. Thank you. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा वृंद हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जनघ तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय भारत.